Hi, it's Bob Murphy, coming to you from the Miracle Room at RE/MAX First Jeffersonville office. It feels like a blizzard in here. Would you like a blizzard of your own? You can have one. Just stop by the Dairy Queen on Veterans Parkway in Clarksville, just down from the Target store, on Thursday at 1 o'clock. Paige Scurlock with Dominion Homes will be there to buy the blizzard for you. And for every blizzard that Paige purchases that day, Dairy Queen will donate at least $1 to the Children's Miracle Network. What a great way to enjoy a wonderful treat. I hope to see you there.